In earlier videos, I explained many theorems based on exterior angle theorem of triangle and angle sum property of triangle. Now, one more question based on those theorems. So, prove that angle between internal bisector of one base angle and external bisector of other base angle of triangle is equal to half of vertical angle. So this question may come as a proof, otherwise this question may come as angle D equals to half of angle A. You have to prove this. Okay. So I am solving it. So given is BD is an angle bisector of ABC. BD is angle bisector of angle ABC and CD is angle bisector of angle ACE. Angle ACE. Okay. Since it is angle bisector, so I am taking it angle 1, angle 1, angle 2, angle 2. Okay. Same measurement. So now to prove, we have to prove angle D equals to half of angle A. Now proof. So angle A plus angle ABC equals to angle ACE. Okay. Now angle A plus twice of angle 1 equals to twice of angle 2. Exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. Okay. So angle A equals to, now leave it here only. Now in this triangle, actually I have to write here in triangle ABC. Here in triangle ABC. Now in triangle BDC, angle 1 plus angle BDC equals to angle 2. Same exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. Okay. So angle BDC equals to angle 2 minus angle 1. I left one step. I am solving it here. After this, I left one step. So I am writing angle A equals to twice of angle 2 minus twice of angle 1. So angle A equals to 2, angle 2 minus angle 1. Okay. After this step will come. Here BDC equals to angle 2 minus 1. It was equation 1 and it is equation 2. Okay. Now equate equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. Okay. So angle 2 minus 1, angle 2 minus 1. So I am putting its value there. So angle A equals to twice of angle BDC. Okay. So angle D equals to BDC. Angle BDC equals to angle A upon 2. That is angle D equals to angle A upon 2. Okay. Hence it is proved. Okay. I hope you are understanding it, and this step will come after this step. Okay.